Hi you guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps, and I am here today to share a little project I did a while back. This is in spirit of Valentine's Day. I thought I'd share a project I made for my boyfriend for his birthday a few years ago, but I think it'd be really appropriate to make a Valentine or make for Valentine's Day for yourself, you know, showing some photos of people you love or what you do on Valentine's Day. It's a great gift idea, but basically it's just a little heart book. So I used double-sided paper. I definitely recommend using double-sided pattern paper. It'll make it much easier. That way each page is patterned. You don't have to worry about covering it. And I just cut all my papers into the shape of a heart. Oh no, one of my little things fell off. And that way the whole book is a heart shape. And then I just created like a mini little scrapbook album. So I wrote happy birthday, but obviously if you were doing a Valentine's Day thing, you could do something Valentine's themed. And then I just mostly used Polaroid photos because it was small enough. And then I included this little mini birthday card and just a bunch of tiny embellishments. It was a good way to like shop my stash, some 3x4 photos, lots of different fun embellishments. I used a bunch of these clear stickers and a lot of rub-ons, I think, in this. Like this is a rub-on. And I take a lot of Polaroid photos and a lot of them just don't get used. So I used a couple in here. This was our 1-year anniversary. And just, you know, I did some photos and I also just did some blank embellishment pages. And I used really colorful, different pattern papers, which I thought was fun. And just, yeah, like random stuff. This was like a tag from a clothing item I got at Target or something. And, you know, some washi tape and some different dates and things. And yeah, it was a really, really fun little project. This is a super quick thing I wanted to share with you guys just to give you ideas of fun things to do. This is actually the backing sheet for a sticker paper that I thought was a fun thing to use to include those hearts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And again, I just stitched all the papers together with 2 holes and a little bit of embroidery floss. So it was a super simple thing. You could use a long range stapler if you wanted. But yeah, and in the back, it just says made with love. So yeah, I thought that'd be a fun thing to share with you guys. You can definitely add some bulky, depending on how many pages you do, some bulky embellishments and it still works. But I thought it'd be a fun thing to share and I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye guys.